Hello everyone. Today we will do in integers, adding integers without using number lines. So for that there are some rules you should know. Very important to know about these rules. Like here is a bracket. Inside bracket there is a plus and outside bracket there is a plus sign. So plus plus become plus. This means multiplication. These signs are being multiplied. If there is plus sign outside bracket and inside there is minus, so plus minus, when you multiply plus minus, this will become minus. And if there is minus sign outside and minus sign inside also bracket, so minus into minus become plus. The same way, if minus is outside and plus sign is inside, so minus plus also become minus. Minus plus minus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. Don't confuse with addition. Like if you are adding, this is the rule for multiplication. This is the rule for multiplication, or we can say if you are opening the bracket. For opening the bracket, you will better understand this thing if you will do the sums. Like first sum is here. First sum is 11 plus minus 7. So we will write here 11 plus minus what I told you, plus minus become minus. So plus minus minus, and this is 7. Now 11 minus 7 is 4. Answer is 4. I hope now you understand this thing I told you. This is only for when you are opening the bracket. Second sum you will see minus 13 plus 18. अच्छा, अगर आप प्लस साइन नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. If I hide this, only here is 18. So it is known that 18 is with positive sign. If there is no sign, there is positive sign. So plus plus, like we will copy this 13. We will open the bracket 13. If there is no sign, we will consider here plus sign. If there is no sign, we will consider plus sign. Plus minus minus. Rule is plus minus minus. So here plus minus minus, and plus 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 plus. So this is plus 18. And now what you will do, if one number is with minus sign and other number is with plus sign, which number is bigger? 18 is bigger. So 18 minus 13, 5, and the sign of bigger number will come. Like we are subtracting 13 from 18. 18 minus 13, 5. So here is minus sign will come. Bigger number sign will come if you are subtracting. Now this sum you can see. We are opening bracket. Just use plus sign here. If there is no sign, we will use plus sign. Plus minus, according to rule, plus minus minus, minus 10, and minus 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 plus 2. Again we have to, when there are opposite sign, we have to subtract. 10 minus 2, we are subtracting from 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And bigger number sign, bigger number कौन सा है? From which number you are subtracting? We are subtracting from 10. So sign of 10 will come. We are subtracting this from this. So minus sign will come here because we are subtracting 2 from 10. 2 from minus 10. The same way, again use plus sign. Plus minus minus, 250. Again plus minus minus, 150. If both the numbers are with similar sign, both the number have same sign, what you will do? We will add the number if both the number have similar sign. So 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, carry over 1, 2, 3, 4, 400. But this 400 will come with minus sign. This is only for when we are adding the number and both the numbers are with minus sign. We will add them, and this is very important to use the sign for addition of the number with minus sign. With practicing more sum, you will definitely learn all these things if you will practice similar sums. Like in a short way, again, I will explain you again once more. Find the sum of this. Find the sum of these two. What we will do? If there is no bracket, we will use bracket. Okay, put it in bracket. Put it in inside bracket. And की जगह पे we will use plus and minus 354 inside bracket. We will use bracket. Remember this thing. Otherwise, your sum will be wrong if you will not bracket. Put both the number inside bracket and use. We have to find out the sum. So we are putting plus sign here. Now the similar way, just open bracket, plus minus and 3, 5, 4. Which number is bigger? This number is bigger. If you are only seeing the number, this number is bigger, so sign of minus will come and we will subtract 137 and plus का consider करेंगे if there is no sign. So when there are opposite signs, plus this number is with plus sign and this number is with minus sign, you have to subtract, and we will subtract 137 from 354. So sign of 354 will come. You just remember one thing, like there are two numbers with opposite sign. From bigger number we will subtract. We are subtracting from 354. So the sign of 354 will come here, and just subtract here. $354 में से 137 आप subtract कर लोगे. $217 with minus sign, because we are subtracting 137 from 354 and 354 is with minus sign. Similar way we will do this. One more sum I'm doing for you. Again we will use bracket and put both the number inside bracket. Just open the bracket. If there is no sign, we will consider plus minus 52, and if there is no sign, we will consider plus inside, plus 52. One number is negative, one number is positive, so answer is 0. I hope you can. Three numbers, so I am doing this also. Minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. Open the bracket. We will plus here, plus inside also, and plus inside also. Plus minus, plus plus, plus plus, plus. If there are three numbers, we will see similar sign numbers. 39 is with plus sign, 192 is with plus sign. We will add these two numbers and subtract this number. So can you do this? you will add these two number 39 plus 192, and whatever the answer will come, you will subtract 312 from that answer. Same way, minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. So no sign here, plus, plus minus, minus 50 plus minus, minus 200, and if there is no sign here is plus sign, we will consider plus plus plus. So these two number are with similar sign, we will add these two number, we will get minus ka 250, because these two numbers are with similar signs. We will add these two number, we will get minus 250 plus 300. Now which number is bigger? 300 is bigger. So 300 is with which sign? It is with plus sign, so plus will come, and from 300 we will subtract 250, we will get, we will get 50. So this is all about integers.